Hi, I'm Scott Smith from C&S Cleaning Services, and as you can see, we are on a beautiful piece of property right now. And these customers are getting their house washed for a couple reasons. Where they have a little bit of mildew on their siding. They also have some green algae on their siding, and overall it just has a little bit of dirt here and there and some cobwebs. So we're going to take care of that, and I just want to show you real quick the difference that we can make on siding. Even though it may not look real dirty, there's a good chance that it is dirty if it hasn't been cleaned in a while. So over here you can see on the siding, you can see there's a little bit of mildew and dirt, and there's definitely some cobwebs up here. Now over here on this side, you can see there's no cobwebs along here. That mildew is gone, and it makes it look a lot better. And the cleaning products that we use, won't kill your grass or your plants. They only attack algae and moss, lichens, and the soap that we use also dissolves cobwebs from being sticky, and it lets them slide right off the siding. So if you guys need us, give us a call, 814-547-1848, or you can go right online and book at whencleancounts.com, and you can click on book online. Click on that, it'll show you all the pricing of everything that we do. And if you have any questions, always feel free to call us. So again, thanks, and this is Scott Smith with C&S Cleaning Service.